How to find a player in map in Whiteout Survival. So first of all, of course, you'll have to go to the world map, of course. So simply press on the go. So you must reach the furnace level 7. So go to the world map and then you must reach the furnace level 7. But once you reach furnace level 7, you can simply directly go to the world map, and then on the world map here you can see different of your friend spaces, and then yeah, in the friend space you can simply find player like in the particular state you can find different players after you zoom out. And then if you want to find in different states, simply go to a different cube that will appear. For example, this much part creates a cube, and then after that the other part is particularly another cube or another state where you can find other players. Also, what you can do is simply check them through the coordinates. So for example, the more right towards you go, the more x coordinate, and the more left towards you go, the less the x coordinate, and same is for vertically for a y coordinate. So hopefully this video helps. That's how you find players. So that's basically going to the world map and finding them. Thank you.